students, welcome to Hindi Pathshala Online. In today's video, we are doing class 10, Gadhe Khand Premchand, Bade Bhai Saab. So the story is of Bade Bhai Saab. So the story is written by the younger brother who is the narrator of the story, Munshi Premchand. So Munshi Premchand has an elder brother who used to discipline him, who used to always be strict and discipline him. So basically, this is a story of about two brothers who live in a hostel and study together. So elder brother is the Bade Bhai Sahab, who is very serious. Elder brother who is very serious, hardworking, and believes in strict discipline. He studies all the time and thinks that success comes only through hard work, long hours of study, and following strict timetable and strict rules only you can become successful in life. On the other hand, the narrator of the story, the younger brother, is very playful. He's very fun loving. He used to play with his friends all the time. He's fun loving and he doesn't like studying too much. He prefers playing games like kite, flying, and roaming around here and there. Despite he studies less, he passes his exams very easily. So even though he's studying less and he's playing with his friends and he's wasting like roaming with his friends here and there, he does not study too much like his elder brother, but still he passes very easily in the exam. On the other hand, what happens is the elder brother, he used to study all the time, but still he fails in exam. So this creates an interesting contrast between the elder brother and the younger brother. Okay, so but however, the elder brother, being the eldest and being the responsible elder brother, he used to keep advising his younger brother that you should study seriously. He used to scold him for wasting time and playing here and there always and roaming with friends. The younger brother feels scared and he tries to study. Very strict plan which he was not able to follow even for one single day. But he makes a plan. He gets carried away with his sayings and he makes a plan that now from now onwards he will not play and waste his time. He will study. So, but his timetable he made was so tough that he was not able to follow it even for one single day. So, younger brother he feels scared and tries to study, and he goes back to playing. So, surprisingly, the younger brother passes while the elder brother fails. So, even after failing, the elder brother continues to discipline him, give him moral lectures, and teach him about education. So at the end, what happens is elder brother becomes very emotional and explains that his explains to his younger brother that his strictness comes only for his care or for his responsibility, and he wants his younger brother to succeed in life. So the younger brother realizes his brother's love and respect him more deeply. So from now onwards, he started respecting his brother more deeply. So the story teaches that success is not only about studying all the time, but understanding, balance, and emotional bonds are very important in our life to be successful. So this is all the story of about Bade Bhai Sahab. Hope you understood the story, students. Okay, in the next session, we can do the question answers of this story of this chapter. Okay, thank you, students. Bye.